Hi everyone, my name is Piterpakulski. Today we'll continue building a financial model of a real estate acquisition. So the legend of this model is we're going to buy a house or an apartment and have a revenue from the rent. So this can be an apartment or a house. So we started with specifying the time horizon. Then we specified, so blues, by the way, are the inputs. All other cells are formulas. So this is the price of an apartment or a house. So this is the amount of the down payment in percentages. So this is the loan term in months. This is the interest rate of the loan. This is grace period for principal payments, interest payments. This is the revenue, monthly revenue from rent that we are going to have. This is when we get the loan. This is start of the deal. And this is start when we buy the property. Then we described how many months we're looking for the first tenant. Then we specified the term for the leasing contract. And then when the tenant goes away, we need, for example, 2 months to find a new tenant. And this gives us 26 months of the, let's say, real estate cycle. And so we can easily, so this is the moment when we started the project. So here is 24 months of the revenues. Then we have 2 months when we are searching for a new tenant. Then a new leasing agreement begins. And then what is interesting, so today we will be applying the inflation coefficients for the revenues. So these numbers won't be the same during our timeline horizon, and today we will inflate these numbers. So give us a like, subscribe, share this video with your friends. You can also order financial models from scratch for your unique business ideas. We can help you with that. At the end screen of this video I'll be giving the link to the playlist where I will be locating all these videos, how I'm creating this financial model from scratch. And when the whole model will be ready, I will be giving the links on creation of this financial model in the description of this video as well. So now we need to inflate these numbers. So how we're going to do that? So let's create a new block of inputs. So we will call it rent inflation. So this will be the year. This will be inflation rate in percentages. This will be, for example, inflation coefficient. So here we will place 10 years of our horizon, our project horizon. And here we will be specifying the inflation rates to the previous year. So this will be the input. So I'm coloring these inputs with specific color, with blue. Like this color, like this color, like this color. So for example, these will be the inflation rates. I'm just taking any rates. You can put your own. Here I will have the coefficient the coefficient values. So for this cell I will write a very simple formula. So we will multiply 1 plus this. So this will be the coefficient, inflation coefficient for the first year. Then I will take this value and multiply it on 1 plus this value of input. Now I will extrapolate these formulas to the bottom, and here I have the list of inflation coefficients for the revenues. For example, I have no inflation coefficient for the first year. Then I'm closing this table. So this will be rent price dollar per month, and rent, let's say rent coefficient. And what I will do now, I will use VLOOkup. I will search this value in this table. I will need the third column, exact match. I will need to freeze this table. Then if error, we will put here 0. Then I press enter. Now I'm extrapolating this formula to the right. So here for the first year, so this is the year, and this is the inflation inflation coefficient for the first year. So for the second year I have 0.5, and now I'm just extrapolating this formula to the right. And rent price dollar per month. What I will do, I will just multiply the rent that I have, base value on the rent coefficient inflated. Now I will be just extrapolating this formula to the right. So now I have my revenues inflated. These are the revenues. These values will go to the cash flow statement later. So I'm coloring it with green. So now we are done with revenues. So you may give us like, subscribe, share this video with your friends. You can also order financial models from scratch for your unique business ideas. We can help you with that. At the end screen of this video I'll be giving the link to the whole playlist where I'm creating this financial model from scratch. And later, when the whole financial model will be ready, I will be giving all the links on the process of creation and in the description of this video as well. So see you guys in next videos. Thank you and bye.